Hello guys! It's my lab day again. Let's talk about forward pipetting and reverse pipetting. Extremely common yet totally different. Let's see what they are. Forward pipetting. The process of liquid aspiration till the first spot of the pipette. And complete release by dispensing all the liquid out. Most suitable for small volume pipetting. Low viscosity liquids. Reverse pipetting. The process of liquid aspiration to the maximum extent. And release the target volume by pushing the pipette only to first spot. Most suitable for large volume pipetting. High viscosity liquids. Interesting, right?
Abdos Life Sciences. Advancing science with quality.